Good afternoon. This project is to get the students to notice how much meal we are wasting while there are plenty of people who are undernourished all over the world. And as the result of this project, we hope Sofia University students to take action to decrease food waste. Also, we'd like to change Sofia's mind, including staff and faculty, that food waste has serious impact to the world, and we have to be responsible to this matter. We are going to talk about the current situation of hunger, environmental impacts caused by food loss, current situation in our campus, and the solution that we're suggesting today. Now, we'd like to talk about the current problems of hunger around the world. What is happening in the world?
Population in the world is about 75 billion now. Can you imagine how many people suffer from hunger? Surprisingly, 1 in 9 of them don't have enough food to lead a healthy and active life. Especially Asia is the continent of the most hungry people, and 2/3 of the population is undernourished. The reason why I brought up this data is that poor nutrition causes death in children. In fact, 45% of children under 5, which means 3.1 million children, die each year because of hunger. Although the decrease of food waste doesn't solve this problem directly, I want you to remember this serious fact occurs while you are wasting meals.
Furthermore, food waste causes serious problem, not only on health problem, but on environment. First, water issue. The article said that a volume of water roughly 3 times the volume Lake Geneva is used just to produce food that is not eaten. Actually, Lake Geneva is the lake located in Switzerland, and it is the second biggest lake in the Central Europe. Also, by throwing out 1 kilo of beef, we are essentially wasting 50,000 liters of water, which was used to produce that meat. Food waste became a great waste of fresh water and groundwater resources. Second, greenhouse gas producing. In the process of making foods, we use energy and natural resources at many points, like processing, transporting, stocking, and cooking them. Food waste produces a large amount of methane, which is much stronger greenhouse gas than CO2, carbon dioxide. This methane heats up the Earth's atmosphere and causes global warming and today's climate change. Third, land problem. Nearly 30% of the world's agricultural land is occupied to produce food that is never consumed. In addition to this, enormous amount of oil is also wasted every year to produce food that is not eaten. Environmental impacts caused by food waste is much bigger than we imagined. These problems, such as climate change, clean water, and life on land, are actually targets of SDGs. Therefore, international society, and also we have to change the current situation.
Then, how about here, Sofia Campus? We conducted an interview to cafeteria staff how much do we usually waste food in our campus. They said we waste about 3 garbage bags of food. The garbage bag is 70 liters one, so we are wasting 210 liters of food every day. 1,050 liters per week. It is tremendous amount, and this data is only from cafeteria in Building 2. With the capacity of all of the cafeteria in Sofia, we estimated the total amount of food wasted here today. The amount is 543 liters. As previously said, food waste is a serious worldwide problem. Therefore, we must tackle with this matter as our problem.
As for solution, we came up with the idea to add a weighing machine to the garbage bin where students dump their leftover food. This way, students can immediately see how much food they are wasting. We would also put a poster on the front side of the bin with the slogan, "Let every day be a World Day Against Food Waste." This might be one of the important design which may change Sofia's mind. We would also set a screen on the wall next to the garbage bin and display a slideshow that addresses the environmental impact of food loss and the progress of our project, so people could easily imagine how we are damaging our planet, and the display would also be a significant element to change our mind. In addition, news about hunger and food loss and other relevant information would be displayed on the screen. This is the advantage of setting a display which allows us to easily update the information we want to deliver and present them within a limited space. It is clear that food loss is the urgent problem that we have to work on right now. Not only the international community or the government, but every one of us must tackle with this issue. Our project, which provides a new design of the place where students dump their leftover food, would help to change our mind and the current situation of the world. Our garbage bin is now not only the bin that people throw away their leftover food, but also helps us to change the Sofian's mind as an important place to promote awareness of the impacts of food loss. Change the world with our new garbage bin design. Thank you for listening.